Hi friends, Christy here from makingitinthemountains.com. Today I'm going to share with you how we transition our home decor from Christmas all the way through into the new year. Okay friends, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. Now, many of you might know that we live in a small town in northern Alberta, Canada, which means we spend most of our year buried under snow. Now, I can't imagine living in a place that didn't have winter and all of the wonderful things that come with it. But when you spend as much of the year as we do, buried under snow and facing cold temperatures, it's obviously super important to make your home extra warm and cozy. So today I'm going to share 3 of my very favorite ways to make our home feel cozy and inviting all winter long. So the first way that I like to make our home feel warm and cozy is by adding a bit of greenery. Now honestly, I like to do this all year long, no matter the season, bringing in some touches of greenery, whether they're faux or real, helps to bring a bit of life to any space. The second way that I like to make things feel warm and cozy all year round, but most especially through these cold winter months where our days are so short and our nights are extra long, is by bringing in some extra light. The easiest way to add a warm glow throughout the entire house is with some soft lighting. Lamps, candles, and of course a nice crackling fire is always the perfect way to make a space feel warm and cozy. And the very last way that I like to make our home feel cozy and inviting this time of year is by layering in all the cozy textures I can. Working in rich textures like wood, velvet, wool, and faux fur are an easy way to add warmth and fullness to a space without adding a ton of clutter. And that's it, friends. By bringing in layers of cozy texture, warm lighting, and some touches of greenery, our home stays cozy and warm all winter long. Alright friends, I hope you enjoyed this video and found some ideas to help you make your home feel cozy and welcoming through these winter months. If you loved this video, I would love for you to give it a thumbs up below and of course subscribe to my channel for even more farmhouse style DIY, decor, and recipe ideas. Thank you so much for watching.